What's up guys, it's snowing outside. I'm going for a winter drive. No, we hadn't had snow in a while in Croatia, at least for a year, and I've never tested my car's winter tires on snowy conditions like this. So the road is full of snow, it hasn't been cleaned yet by winter service, so let's get inside. Super cold. I mean, it's really not that cold, but here's the key. Let's start her up. I didn't start the car in 2 days. And have to clean the lens. No problem starting. Now I do have the nano coating on my windshield, so that's one of the reasons why ice hasn't formed. So guys, I'm going on a trip. Now I must say I'm excited for this. I'm like a child. I love snow. I know many people hate snow for a variety of reasons. It's cold, it's slippery, you can't see, and it's icy, but I have winter tires, so, and I'm like a child. I love cleaning the car from the snow. I know a lot of people hate it, but I love it. I love when the roads are covered with snow, like at the moment. So this is really exciting for me. I hope it's going to be exciting for you as well as it is for me. Now, we have in Croatia pretty good winter service. They clean the roads, but they're cleaning the main roads, not in the neighborhoods where I'm now. But in the morning this will be completely clean. The temperature will rise a bit, everything will start melting, but this is for me actually testing my winter tires, Continental. They're pretty good. And I'm trying to move the car, but it's not slipping. So I bought a good winter tires. Now all those American videos, Canadian and Russian, where you people, oh, there's the ABS working, where you see people sliding. It's the reason because they have season tires or summer tires. You have to have winter tires. Now maybe some pro tips. I mean, let's say experienced people who are driving, tips is drive in a lower gear, slowly press the acceleration pedal. Now the city obviously isn't clean in the neighborhood. I'm gonna go now across the bridge to see what is the condition on the road. It looks like it's been cleaned. Now this is beautiful. I'm enjoying myself. I know a lot of people wouldn't be enjoying this. Anyway, safety tips: don't brake hard, don't drive in a lower gear. It allows you to brake with the engine, and no sudden movements. That's it. But this is just, it's gonna be a short drive for me. I'm gonna let the engine warm up and drive a bit around the city, just enjoy for myself. I wanted to capture the video for you guys. Now my heating is still not working because the AC is on, but the heating, I need to heat up the engine first. So as you can see, the roads, the main roads are pretty clean. But I'm gonna maintain my speed according to the conditions on the road. This noise you can hear, it's the snow and the water next to the tires making noise. You can hear it in the back of this car. It doesn't have a good soundproof, I would say. Now also a tip, don't when its temperature is low, your oil temperature is still not an idle. Don't floor your throttle or gas pedal. It is pointless to speed because you're just damaging your engine. You're stressing it out. It hasn't, the oil hasn't warmed up. It's not lubricated. All the parts are not lubricated, and then you're wearing them off if you're pushing the throttle or the gas pedal when the engine is cold. So as you can see, it's beautiful here, not too many traffic. It's Wednesday, so it is work day, people are working tomorrow, but the winter service will clean this all before morning. Now it is midnight. Now I love, there's so much snow you can't really see the lanes. I mean, you can see them barely, but then you just follow the tracks, which are not accurate in snow. But this is so awesome for me. I would love to find a empty parking space where I can try braking hard or drifting, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Now I'm driving to the limit, actually below the limit. Here is 60. You can see the Croatian police up front. They have a they're driving the Citroën C Elysium. One of my subscribers asked me to do a review of that car, and it's just so poor. It has a good engine, but I don't want to do a review of that car. Now the conditions are quite nice. If you love the snow, now we have only a few days like this in Croatia lately. The winters are just not harsh as they used to be. If you believe in global warming, this is the cause. Some say it's just a period Earth is passing through now, a warmer period. Later it's going to come back to a colder period. Who knows? As you can see, someone was sliding here. I think deliberately. There's an ambulance going on. I hope someone is okay. Now see, when you have to brake on the light, on the red light, gently, not hard braking. It is really interesting. I hope this video is not going to be boring. I'm probably going to cut it. Now when I start on the snow, there is a slight slipping. I wasn't hard on the throttle, but I'm going to try doing now something because there's no one around. As you can see, the car is pretty stable on the road, definitely stable. And these winter tires are a saver, so don't save your money on winter tires. That is definitely a recommendation. Now I have to have traffic in mind, so drive responsibly. I don't want to test my car in winter conditions, but I don't want to crash it or damage someone else's property. Now guys, I have my GoPro Hero 5. I haven't made a video yet or review or anything about it, but this is the camera I'm going to be using with my iPhone 6. iPhone 7. So I hope you like the video. Write something in the comment below. I hope you like the quality. I think it's good. It's 4K video. I'm gonna see now how much space it's gonna use and how long is the battery gonna last. I'm gonna try finding an empty parking space, trying drifting or something, but we'll see. I can't promise anything. Now I I can't remember the voice command for time lapse, so I'm not going to temper on my camera now. But it does have voice commands, and it's pretty good for this kind of test drives, which I'm going to do in the future. And you can expect more test drives in the future. But at the moment, the conditions are not the greatest, so I'm not doing any test drives. I maybe do some shots in the salon. I really hate when people are driving so slow. Now, you should not speed like a maniac, but driving 50 in a 70 speed area is just, even the road is not that covered with snow, so come on guys. But not all people are comfortable. Maybe they don't have good winter tires. Now, you should change your winter tires every 4 or 5 years if you store them properly. Same is for the summer tires. Now I want to speed up because if I want my engine to warm up, I need speed, but the engine is just not warming up that fast enough. Now you can see the fountains on the side. Maybe they're still working. I don't know how they didn't froze up, but it's just 0 Celsius degrees. I'm sorry, I don't know what's the Fahrenheit, but as you can see, the winter service has probably passed here, so the condition on the road is not that bad. And now I just got an idea. I should probably go to my girlfriend and say hi. See, just easily brake and you get some ice. Now you can see the nano coating working. It is really good. You can see the drops just sliding off my windshield. You should definitely put the nano coating on. Watch my video, guys. It's on my channel, how to apply nano coating. It's really good for the rain and snow conditions. Prevents ice building up on your windshield in the morning as well. Pretty good stuff. I'm gonna speed up here at 60 zone, but what the hell? Yep, drives nicely. I just love snow. I'm gonna lower my speed. I don't wanna speed. My engine temperature is still not idle. You can see Croatian tram. We even have winter service for the rails. They just pass through, so we have public transport operational even in the winter conditions. But these are probably not harsh winter conditions which you get in the northern US states or Canada or northern Europe countries. Now my windshield's fogging, so I need to turn on the air conditioning and ventilation. Oh, I did it. This is awesome. Now there is a turn here, but I never drifted and I don't want to damage my car. And I need to make sure there isn't incoming traffic. There is no almost none traffic. I'm going to try here now. I'm going to put it in sport. Oh yeah, drifting, definitely drifting. Yeah, that was cool. Cool. Okay, guys. Hope no one's gonna steal my camera. Guys, I hope you like this video. This is my winter drive. This is my car. This is cool drifting. I don't have a cameraman. It would be awesome if I did. I would probably make a lot more cool videos. I hope the camera did get this. Drifting over here was pretty cool with the handbrake. And see you in the next video. Subscribe, like my video, and you see that is the winter service over there in the background. It still hasn't passed over here. I'm gonna still have some fun, and you guys make sure to watch my channel. See you in the next video. Bye. Peace.